When I'm not watching Life is Good, I'm recording videos for Big Tim. Come on.
Here she comes back. Pimped out, man. She's bad. Show y'all this right here. Well, the battery's about to die on this thing.
West 60th Street towards South 49 West Avenue.
We are leaving Rush Peterbilt. Got the AC fixed. Got in, got out. That's Daniel Mccarthy right there on the right. Stronger by the mile YouTuber. You guys go check him out, man.
West Avenue, then turn left.
Enjoy that new ride, Mr. McCarthy, sir. We're gonna get out of here, people. We got a cold air again. Life is good. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go back to Rooster Cruiser. We got to go. Holy smokes, I'm about to burn up. I need a shower. And anyway, this battery's gonna die, so we have to cut this short and come back after a while. So we'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, well, we got the battery all charged up. We're gonna kick back and relax now. Driven a few hundred miles. We trying to get over here to the Little Rock, Arkansas Petro. Spend the night. We in a much need of a shower. We got up early this morning, like 6 o'clock this morning. Worked on this trailer, getting it all finished up. So I'm just hot and sweaty. Holy smokes, I need a bath and a good night of sleep. Come on. I tell you what, I was in Tulsa since Monday, and today's Friday. Just left. Well, you know, I had a fantastic time, man. Loved it. First time I seen Peterbilt Steve since I bought the truck, and anyway, it was really nice. I had a nice sit-down interview, and we just shot that off the hip. We didn't have any script or take notes. We need to probably do a better job of taking notes and whatnot, but you know, we did okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. We got quite a few views, and Peterbilt Steve's just a stand-up guy, man. He's always came through for me, so I'll continue to plug him. But anyway, so the sun is going down. And why does that matter? Well, that matters because I'm excited to see what my truck looks like in the dark. We just spent a lot of money tweaking a few things, and I want to see what it looks like. So probably won't. I'm just going to drive straight to the petrol and park it, so probably won't get a very good visual of it for you guys on the camera. We might do that tomorrow night. I don't know. We're going to figure out how to do that. Maybe we can do it. Maybe we'll leave early in the morning or something. I don't know. We'll get it on camera and get it uploaded and get it done. But it turned out great. I mean, it turned out really, really good. But anyways, I just thought I'd turn the camera on because we got some battery juice and tell you guys hello. We got nice ice cold air conditioning. Truck is performing great, and we are on our way to the Petro in Little Rock. Come on. So we'll see y'all after a while. Yeah! What's going on, YouTube? I know it's a bit strange here in this clip. I don't even know what all we've got videoed. Probably nothing on this run we are doing from Oklahoma to Noonan, Georgia. I don't think I told you guys none of that. Been too wrapped up and busy with other junk. Come on. We have not had any rain while driving. lot of rain while we were sleeping last night. And every blue beacon truck wash we have passed has been empty because people think it's going to rain. Well, it hasn't rained. It's going to rain though. See, it looks like rain, doesn't it? We're in Alabama, Highway 78, now otherwise known as 22. I'm still going to call it 78 because ever since I've been driving, they've been building this road. But I think it is now completed, even though every time I want to go west on 78, I still go the old way from Birmingham because I'm not, you know, I think I have never ever went all the way to 65 on this road. Today we are going to try really hard to go to Interstate 65 from what is now known as 22. You know, when you're old like me, you're so used to getting off, because I mean this road would end in various different spots, and they'd complete another stretch, and they'd take you to the next section. So now it's all done. But hey, cool. Anyway, so we just stopped there and had some fresh homemade tamales that we bought out of the trunk of a car while we were at Grand National Trailers. We didn't eat all of them. We had them in the refrigerator, and so we just stopped and had that for lunch. So anyway, been an absolutely wonderful drive. Truck is doing fantastic, and the trailer is as well. So anyway, trying to decide where we're going to go today. We'll go to the Pilot on Interstate 20. I think there's a blue beacon across from that. So I don't know where we're going to go today. We're going to go somewhere because it's only Saturday and the load does not deliver till Monday, and we're only 220 miles away. So yeah, just thought I'd turn the camera on and felt like saying hello, because I really haven't videoed anything outside of pimping the truck and trailer out, and I hadn't even looked at all that footage yet. Hopefully I got enough footage there to piece together somewhat different decent video, you know. If not, we'll post this up and leave y'all in suspense of what it is I'm talking about. But if I have rendered a video and got it put up, you'll see a little tab pop up right there at the top of the screen with a suggestion to go watch the videos. If you haven't seen that pimped out video with the new lights, go check it out. So hopefully it's up there. I hopefully got some night shots, because she definitely looks different in the dark than she did last week. So anyway, and also my Uber interview came out live last night. It's probably been a couple days now. I'll provide a link down in the description for that one. You guys go check that video out. I think it turned out really good. That was a lot of work involved in making that video, so I appreciate it if you guys go look at it, watch it, and share the far out of it, man. It's not my video, it belongs to the company that made it, but get it out there, man. They share away. They've got some moron. Took that moron out. I don't know how people keep their license, man. Crazy. But anyway, there's that idiotic ramblings for today. We will see you on the next one. Holy smokes, I did it. I ran 78, or should we call it 22, all the way to 65 south. I didn't show y'all because I was on the phone with another driver. So anyway, we have 142 miles left to go, and we got I'll do some math on that. 40 hours to get there. I think that's right. Is that right? Yeah, somewhere there. Piece of cake. Spinning at 40, strictly enforced. All right, Tim. Just back her down there, boys. Back her down. Guess if I need the next lane to the left or not. These cars out here, man, they are just so mean to me today. Bunch of rude jerks. Yeah, I think I should have got over one. Let's do it just to be safe. Just to be safe, because these cars, man, they just like, I ain't gonna let you over there, big truck. You're too slow. I'm gonna show y'all. Hey, look, I made the right decision. Look at that. Look at that. I'm glad I got in this lane. Come on. I'll show you guys my new turn signals. See if you think you can see them. We gotta hopefully find a place tonight that's in the dark and get some good. Every time I park it, you know, it's before dark, and then you don't get to see the. So yeah, like today, I'll be parked well before it gets dark, and so I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. What are you gonna do there, hon? What is that? Acura, you're making me nervous. Don't make me nervous. I don't know what's going on in the other direction. These cars, man, I mean, holy smokes. It's crazy. That's probably what happened in the other direction. They all piled them up. Because it is a Saturday. And could be a ball game. When's the ball game season start? I know NASCAR race in Bristol this weekend. I don't know what game season. I don't do this sports stuff. Anyway, they sure are building a lot of roads around here. Birmingham is making some major changes. I don't know what all that's going to be, but they're stacking them up in the sky. So I don't know. Whose idea it is to build them 600 feet in the air? Alright, we will see you when we see you. See ya. Well, we reserved a parking spot at the Pilot.
To turn left onto US 29 North.
I'm not going that way.
Continue on US 29 North for 7 miles.
Anyway, we reserved this parking spot to Pilot down here at Noonan, Georgia. Exit 41. Saturday, 7 o'clock. Been raining. So now we got to sit in the parking lot all weekend. You know, I mentioned that about being dirty. Some guy, oh, get over it, you big crybaby. Dude, man, listen. I like a clean rig, you know, and to sit somewhere filthy. I mean, won't you sit in your dirty drawers all day? I mean, come on, dude. It's like getting up and not making your bed in the morning. Holy smokes. It's the first thing you should do. Your feet hit the floor, you make the bed. Anyway, some people, now they survive. I like clean crap. But anyway, so we're going to go here at the Pilot, hang out. get some data entry done. We're halfway through January on rekeying data, and get some videos rendered so they can get them uploaded to go out. Pre-schedule them to go out throughout the week.
1 mile, turn left on Postcard Drive.
And yeah, that's the plan with all that, Stan. But anyway, so I think we're only like 7 miles from that pilot at the Colony Reserve spot. Couldn't get I didn't know the password for the app, so that's something else I got to work on is passwords, man. I got to get over here and reset the password on the Fleet One card, but it's not the Fleet One, it's their site down, you know. I've been trying for 2 days, and I called the guy, and he unlocked my thing, but the site's down, you know. So fuel bills due tomorrow. I'm not paying the late fees. All I got to say for them, ain't my fault their site's down. I tried, you know. So yeah, I'll call him Monday and argue with him. Indoor shooting range is what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. I need to go to the range. I need some range time. Speaking of that, someone stole my dad's zero-turn lawnmower and tried to steal his Dodge pickup truck. But they don't know we have cameras, and we got it on camera. Pictures I posted on Facebook was still shots that someone was taking with their cell phone of this computer screen. But when we got the computer screen footage, we got some good quality video there. So they are as good as caught. Come on, just a matter of who catches them first, us or the cops. But anyway, we'll see you over here at the pilot. Yes, sir. To the pilot.
I'm Tom Thumb from Pittstown, New Jersey. When I'm not working in the garden, I'm checking out idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on.